This is classic. It is known that the manufacturer deliberately harm the device, but to go to this extent would be shocking. We have the positive wire here, and what you are seeing is the negative wire. It's completely stripped off. So we spin around. The purpose of harming the device in such a way is to cause fatal accidents, hazardous accidents. The negative wire has completely stripped off. There is no such thing as wire. So there is even a sticky tape to place along as if it's protecting its circuit, but it's going to short circuit in any given moment. And this is the first incident I come across such a deliberate harm to the control board. Never have I seen anything like this before. So this is a breakdown of a Voto mobile phone. So it's slightly malfunction. I'm trying to repair it. So the breakdown, this is the Wi-Fi. I'm going to strengthen the Wi-Fi signal, but accidentally discovered a shocking connection in the power supply unit. And this is the Bluetooth. This is the sensor, fingerprint sensor, field connection. There's two slots for the antenna, and this is the screens. Of course, the battery is said to be one body. So this is the back plate. There is no secrets to the battery. The back plate is just sticky tape, and it's not even waterproof. And so we are going to fix the negative wire. It's just shocking and horrifying. And we hope to solve the malfunction problems. We do not know what the cause of it. The battery seems to be normal. 1,700 milliamp batteries. And we will further open it up and see.